Alright, I have my paint booth set up. I'm doing a remodel on part of my house. This room was completely gutted and redone. Now I am on to the task of painting the doors of this part of the remodel. The majority of the doors, not the ones that are new, were existing doors that were stained and varnished. So it took about an hour and a half each door and got them all down. Used deglosser on the fine spots, sanded everything else, puttied up any holes, dents, anything like that. And now I am ready to paint. I put some plastic around the entire room. Even bought a cool little U-zip it door zipper for that, and to keep all the dust and debris out of the house. I have also framed in this window, and I'm gonna have a vent fan placed on the outside to take the exhaust. So how am I getting all this paint on these doors? I bought the Fuji Q5 system. Bought it back in December. Finally unboxed it today. Didn't video that, that's not that interesting. Read my book, played with my spray bottle, my sprayer gun, and went out to my Fuji Q5 and noticed it's a Fuji Q3. Smaller unit, cheaper unit. Didn't buy this unit. So I called up the distributor where I purchased it from. Told him to check my invoice. Yeah, we ordered you a Q5 and Fuji sent you a Q3. So waiting on a call from Canada to get me my Q5 so I can get this project started. Should I have unboxed it? Maybe. But it was an internal box. Came about Christmas. I got the coronavirus, worked a lot, did some other things. So whose fault is it? Fuji put it in my box and sent it to me. Hopefully they make this right, so this video is not detrimental to anybody's view on them, but I believe it's the best product. I bought multiple tips, different tips. This tip right here, the 1.8, that's what I'm going to be using to spray the water-based Sherwin-Williams prime and paint. I even bought some finer tips because I want to paint my 1970 Volkswagen Baja. So Fuji does come with a cool little document that tells you what you're painting, what size you need. I bought a total of 4 different heads, and it came with 1, so that's 5, and I can pretty much go from fine finish all the way to the dark finish, heavy finish, sorry, which is waterborne paints, which I'll be doing when they get me my product correct. So also going to learn how to use this viscosity cup. They give you on your document the Ford number 4, which this is called a Ford number 4 viscosity cup, and it gives you the run out of how fast your liquid should flow out of your viscosity cup. And I'll play with that hopefully to show everybody. And they even give you a cool little book to document all of your different finishes and you know, all your stuff that you used and what you used, what you added it with, what the material was, date, viscosity, air cap set, and notes. So next time when you do it, you'll know exactly what it is. So sounds like Fuji is a good product. Just need to get me the right machine and we'll be good. So guess this was part one. Hopefully part two is not far from us.